This morning began with a little anticipation in the Algarve. At 10:15 sharp, we slipped out of Albufeira Marina aboard a sightseeing cruise heading west along one of Europe's most spectacular coastlines. Our destination was the legendary Benagil Cave, a natural cathedral carved into the cliffs by the Atlantic Ocean. And if the ocean was feeling generous today, we might even encounter dolphins along the way. Come along for the ride. This morning began with a short ride from the heart of the old town to Albufeira Marina. At 9:30 a.m., we arrived by taxi, a quick 10-minute journey that cost just €6, an easy start to what promised to be a great day on the water. The marina itself is hard to miss with its colorful buildings and rows of tour boats preparing to head out along the Algarve coast. After checking in and registering for the trip, we had a little time to take in the scene before boarding. 10 a.m. sharp, it was time to step aboard. We had a choice of seating and we immediately headed for the elevated seats in the center of the boat.
Bom dia, good morning. Tem alguém aqui que fala apenas português? Não entende inglês? Hours and 2.5 hours, yes. And is divided in two parts. Have two parts. Watching and searching for dolphins and exploring the Algarve coast. Yes.
Once everyone was settled, the host delivered a quick safety briefing and explained the plan for the morning. First stop, searching for dolphins in the Atlantic. The Algarve waters are home to several species, including common dolphins and bottlenose dolphins, and sightings here are surprisingly frequent. First pair, a mother and baby dolphin traveling together. The crew immediately slowed and respectfully moved away, giving them plenty of space. But that was just the beginning. Soon after, we encountered multiple pods of dolphins, some with 20 or more animals moving together. Before long, they were swimming beside the boat, riding the wake and gliding effortlessly through the water. Some even passed directly beneath us, appearing briefly through the clear Atlantic water. It was one of those travel moments you'll never forget. After the dolphin encounters, the captain turned the boat west along the Algarve coastline, revealing a landscape that is sculpted by nature. These cliffs are made from golden limestone, formed more than 20 million years ago, and constantly reshaped by winds and waves. From the water, you see hidden beaches, arches, and caves that simply aren't visible from land. We had already driven the coastal road earlier in the week, but seeing it from the sea gave us a completely different perspective. As we slowly entered the cave, bright sunlight poured through the opening, illuminating the golden walls and the small beach inside. Just a few days earlier, we'd been standing on the cliffs above, looking down into this same cave. Experiencing it from inside itself was something entirely different.
Inspiration to the yellow submarine sock.
On the return journey, the captain navigated through several more caves and rock arches, each one carved by the Atlantic over thousands of years. By the time we returned to Albufeira Marina, the trip had lasted about 2.5 hours, perfectly timed for a relaxing morning adventure along Portugal's southern coast. The tour was operated by Algarve Experience, and on this gorgeous day, blue skies, calm seas, and temperatures around 15 to 16 degrees, it couldn't have been better. For us, this experience easily earns a 5-ticket rating on my return ticket. A spectacular coastline, unforgettable dolphin adventures, and the chance to float inside one of Europe's most famous sea caves. The Algarve really delivered today.